In a quick survey to determine the mean levels of HDL, which is high density lipoproteins, among children in Samaru community, blood samples were taken from 10 randomly selected children out of the 80 children in the community. Their HDL levels were as follows: 35, 39, 40, 30, 32, 15, 18, 22, 35, and 19 milligrams per DL. Here are a couple of questions we need to answer. What is the mean level of HDL? Is the mean level of HDL a parameter or a statistic, and why? And how can we interpret this finding? So put your answers in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Alrighty, let's quickly solve this. We have 10 blood samples, right? And these are their levels of HDL. So to find the mean, we use the simple formula x bar is equals to sigma x divided by small letter n. That's lowercase n. Here, x is the HDL level and lowercase n is the number of blood samples that we have, which is 10. Okay, so we just add up all the values of the HDL levels to get that summation x. All right, and here n is the number of samples, which is equal to 10. So we simply say 35 plus 39 plus 40 plus 30 plus 32 plus 15 plus 18 plus 22 plus 35 plus 19, all divided by 10. So when we add all these together, we get 285, and divided by 10 is equal to 28.5. So the mean HDL level is 28.5 milligrams per DL. Awesome. So we've answered the first part of the question. The second part of the question says, is the mean HDL level a parameter or a statistic, and why? Well, what do you think? That's correct. It's a statistic. And this is simply because in the survey, it was a sample of children that was used to find the mean HDL level, not the entire population of children in the community. Remember, there are 80 children in the community, but only 10 children were selected for the survey. So if the entire population of the children was used, right, then we can say the mean level is a parameter. But since the researcher used only 10 children out of the 80 children to compute the mean level, then we say this mean is a statistic. Alright, lastly, how can we interpret this finding? Well, this is simple. It just indicates that the average level of HDL in the sample was 28.5 milligrams per DL. And this simply means that the typical HDL in that population is about 28.5 milligrams per DL. Now, the mean is important because it includes every level from our data, and it depicts the central tendency of that data. And that's all about the mean. So this brings us to the end of this exercise. If you found value in this video and you want to support my efforts, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Also subscribe if you're yet to do so, and click the bell icon so you can get notified of my future videos. Click here if you want to see a similar exercise for population variance, or here if you want to see that of mean deviation from the mean. And as always, thanks for watching.